thank you to everyone who sent the encouraging emails about the birds. And I'm sorry I have not kept up with the Parrot Diaries regularly. With a friend stealing my money has had a profound impact on all areas of my life. Naturally, the financial, which led to the mental. And I'm not in the right frame to do it, because all I do is think about how this setback has affected the many birds that really need help. In case you come across this girl, right here, Elizabeth Keatinge, and her married name here is Schneidler. She's the one I was friends with that stole all my money. And I guess it's kind of like when the housing market collapsed, how some people were foreclosed on right away, and some people it took a few years. So I just have to be patient and let the authorities do their thing. And in the meantime, I have a couple other things going on, and hopefully I'll be posting the Parrot Diaries soon.